Today, I'm going to be showing my fidgets again. This is the part 2. So let's get started. My first one I have is this water timer. This one's pretty cool. I think I showed this last time. I'm pretty sure I did, but yeah, that's that one. And then the next one is this elephant mochi. It's really cool actually. Just squish, squash, squish, squash. Okay, that one goes right here. Then we got this jumbo numbo monkey noodle. The cool part is that it has this. It's like a little butt. It's like a little tiny little butt right there. Yes. Yeah, that's what I like about this. So yeah, that's that one. So it's put back here by those. And then we got this ninja star, this ninja fidget star. Okay, so and then we got on. Kind of hard to do it on camera. Okay, I have this small purple monkey noodle. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, so here's this small monkey noodle, and it's the same. It's just not really small, but. And then we have this Japanese mochi. This is what they look like in Japanese. Literally, it's ways. He's having a baby. Yeah, this one's pretty good. If you do this, you might come up sometime. We got this orange small monkey noodle. Same thing. I'm not gonna go over it.
Wait, I have a good idea. We have
this gold,
okay, so
black, green, and gray marble mash. Okay, here it is. Boom. Then we have this rainbow marble mash. Pretty cool, right? I think it's pretty cool. Oh, shoot. And then the next one is this homemade squishy balloon. It's kind of cool. It's not really bulky, just like, I think it's just water. Okay. And then our next one is this one, Puppy Popper. I've been wanting these for so long, watch.
Finished.
Hello, you ready for breakfast? Okay, this is like a cool because it's a kitchen, so yeah, I got that. Okay, and then we have this wacky track, except that's orange and blue, so it's kind of cool. It's a tiny little square for a ring. Okay. Then I have this infinity cube. This one I think is really cool. I don't think I showed it on camera, but like, no, here it is. Yep, here it is. And then we got two more things. This one, these two are poppets. First, we got this jet poppet. Okay, let me just go up here so you can see it. Okay. Yeah, boom, it pops. Okay. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'm right here. Okay. And then we got this baby Yoda. This boom, it pops. See you next one. Bye.